Why is MONKY the next big thing in crypto? Price predictions and features explained. Why is MONKY? MONKY is an emerging cryptocurrency in the decentralized finance sector. It offers innovative features like low transaction fees, energy-efficient protocols, and community-driven growth. It operates on a decentralized blockchain, ensuring transparency, security, and scalability. MONKY also provides staking opportunities for rewards and network support. Market performance and predictions. Currently trading at a fraction of a cent, MONKY shows potential for exponential growth. Predictions include reaching $0.0000717 by 2025, $0.00015 by 2027, and over $0.001 by 2030. Key drivers include partnerships, increased adoption, and DeFi ecosystem expansion.